Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am making lamb shanks. So I have six pieces of lamb, and I just thought I'm gonna show you how I go about marinating it. So I'll be cooking it maybe later in the evening or tomorrow morning. So these are some of the spices that I'll be using: onion powder, garlic granules, black pepper, ginger that I'm gonna grate, some salt, turmeric. This is garlic that I've minced and I do put it in oil. I find it's easier. Some curry powder, some cumin powder, and some cooking oil. So those are all the things that I'll be using to make this lamb shank taste nice. So stay tuned as I prep the marinade. So my lamb shanks are just out of the fridge. So I marinated them in the morning, and I'll show you how they look. They look really nice and they smell amazing. So yeah, I just took them out. It's advisable if you are cooking a large piece of meat that you take it out of the fridge half an hour before you cook it. So yeah, they've been sitting there for about 15-20 minutes, and I added some. I'm going to be adding carrots, celery. So I have 3 stalks of celery, 3 carrots, big carrots, 1 onion, and some rosemary. And to that I'll be adding red wine. So I just got one from the supermarket. Yeah, I'm gonna go on and turn on the gas, and so when the pan is warm, add some. So I'm using rapeseed oil. I'm gonna add a good bit of it because I don't want the lamb shanks to stick. Cook the rest. So I'll add in all the vegetables, carrots, celery, onions, all together, and rosemary. I'm gonna add a tablespoon or so of flour, just all-purpose flour. Just add it in. I'm gonna add in the wine to deglaze. That's really good. Now that when everything is well mixed in, I'm gonna turn off that and I'm gonna mix. So I'm gonna add all that goodness onto the lamb. So the lamb shanks are fully cooked. As you can see, they're basically falling apart. They look amazing. So yeah, I'm just gonna serve them with some mashed potatoes and the juice of it, and that should be it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment, your likes and subscription, and we'll be talking to you later. Bye.